Hello, boys and girls. This is the last craft video that I'm going to be sending till the end of the school year, which actually this will probably post on the last day of school. So this is just something you can do maybe even over the summer. It's a fun little craft, and it's something that I usually do with the kids at NAPS camp. So I thought I'd go ahead and post it. It's how to make marble paper. So the things you're going to need in order to do this craft is some paper, white paper, or even I use a little bit thicker paper. It's cardstock. So you need some white paper or white cardstock. You're going to need shaving cream. You're going to need a pan or a cookie sheet, something that your paper fits in. You're going to need food coloring or watercolors. Like I have watercolors, but you can use food coloring too. You are going to need a ruler or something to scrape the paper off with. I use a ruler, and maybe some newspaper so it doesn't get too messy. And then I like to keep a towel or some paper towels handy in case it gets a little bit messy or you get your hands dirty. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the shaving cream in the bottom of the pan. So I just kind of squirt it all over. Oops, should I get you? Then you're gonna take your watercolor or your food coloring, and you're just gonna take a couple different colors, and you're gonna just put a few drops of the colors that you want to use in the shaving cream. Okay, so I'm going to put a little orange, and I think I have some green. I think I'll use 3 colors, and we'll see how that seems to work. All right, and maybe, I actually have a little bit of yellow here too, so I'll use that as well. Whoops. You just want to be careful to keep it in the pan. Oh, and then the other thing that I forgot to mention of things we needed is I have a long stick, or you can use a knife or something to swirl your shaving cream and the design. I think we're going to need a little bit more color. So I am going to put a little more blue. And you kind of get the idea of what's going to happen here. A little more yellow maybe. Okay, and if you have more colors, you can use more colors. All right, so you're going to do that. All right, you're going to take that out, and then you're going to take your piece of paper, and you're going to put your paper on top of the shaving cream, and you're going to wiggle it around in there. All right, you're just going to kind of wiggle it and pat it. All right, and then you're going to lift up your piece of paper. You're going to put it onto like your newspaper. You're going to take your ruler, and you're going to scrape. You're going to scrape it off. All right, when you scrape it off, your hands get a little dirty, so you can wipe them off. And then you're going to pick up your paper, and you have a piece of marble designed paper, and you're going to set that off to the side, and you can let that dry. I have another piece of paper, so I'm going to go ahead and do another one really quickly. Sometimes you can put it in there, shake it around. Sometimes you can twist it a little bit in the shaving cream. And you can do lots of papers. Usually it'll last. You could also do, I was just thinking, you could also do some big sheets of white paper, and you could make your own wrapping paper. All right, so again, oops, I need to get the shaving cream off my ruler. There we go. And you're gonna take the ruler or the scraper, whatever you have, and you're gonna scrape it off. And there's another one. And that's how you make some marbled paper. All right, guys, have a great summer, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.